Finally, we are live.
Finally.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good. Yeah, so long it's been now.
I know, it's been too long.
What have you been doing?
I've been cooking and cleaning and asking you for recipes and how to make paratha and all.
But isn't it great that we've just started cooking like all the time now? All the time. But you
All
used
the
to
time.
cook anyway.
हाँ, but
You
दिन
have
भर
always
यही
been.
चलता रहता है. नहीं, but it's nice, yeah. The thing is that, look, if we were not working and we were at home, I think we would probably end up cooking a lot more than we do when we're not in lockdown.
That's true.
You know, but it's a nice thing because now there are many like fun, quick things that one is learning on how to make like yummy, tasty dishes very quickly.
That's
So
true.
which I'm sure we'll continue making even when the lockdown ends.
Yes, that's true. So 3 of your web series have come out. It's like amazing. And
Thank
today,
you.
Disconnected ka second episode has come out. That's
Yes.
lovely, yeah.
Disconnected ka
And
second episode has come, and I hope please watch it, and let me know.
yes,
Chanda.
first episode was amazing. And
Thank
let me tell you guys that they have shot this in the time of lockdown. Isn't that amazing? And please, would you like to share something about that?
Yeah, firstly, it's very funny because normally I think, like Chanda, I know you know, and we've always really appreciated the crew when we've been working.
True.
Like especially like in the costume department, the dress dadas, the assistants, and things like that. And I mean, the entire crew, you really appreciate them. But now that we have to act and do camera work and do lighting and do
Yeah.
what do you call it, like setup and remember the emotion of the scene and handle costume and handle everything. Basically it's a very different experience because it's being remotely directed, so it's like we get on a Zoom call and then we have to set up the shot, then show them the shot, then it
Yes.
takes a lot. Like जो हम लोग सेट पे आधे घंटे में करते हैं, यहाँ पे
Yes,
3 घंटे
of
लगते
course.
हैं.
I can understand that.
But it's such an amazing experience because I'm learning how to do everything. So tomorrow,
Wow.
if we ever have to make a film,
Yes.
it won't be such a huge like, like it won't
I
be so
understand.
daunting. Like
Yes,
say
I
you and I
understand.
decide, like so many times we've talked
Yes.
about in the future doing something or
Yes,
whatever.
yes.
Yeah, so I think
I'm
that
sure it's gonna happen soon.
touch wood.
Yeah, yes.
Touch wood. Huh.
And also, would you like to talk about Mastram?
Yeah, Mastram. Firstly, it was my debut film, as you know. And as you know, I love Manali, and we shot in Manali again. We shot the web series. So for me, it was like, a huge, huge blessing because I love Manali. I just feel like, like I feel like the divine lives in the mountains. It's palpable when you go to the mountains, and you know this. Like you can feel. I mean, you can feel the divine everywhere. Like when you go anywhere in nature. When we go for our beach walks and
That's
things,
true.
you can feel the divine,
Yes.
Where it's very, very palpable. So I love that. I mean, I'm so grateful that they approached me for the web series. And the show is doing so well, yeah. So I'm really grateful to all the people who are watching the show and loving it. People who've seen the film who are watching the show.
Wow, that's great, yeah.
Touch wood, it's been fantastic.
Touch
a fantastic
wood.
response. Wood यहाँ पे.
Okay, and how do you feel like clothes impact our mood, especially now since we are living in lockdown?
I think it makes a big difference, yeah. The lockdown and things, I don't think
Sorry,
that...
Munna was calling.
Munna is calling. Oh my God, Munna, have you...
Sorry.
But Chanda, you should speak to him. But after this, obviously. But
yeah,
speak to him. But नहीं तो मैं क्या कह रही थी हाँ no I
About
think
clothes.
clothes make a big difference yeah to your mood to your like I know that you know this about me like I always
Yes.
dress according to my mood
Yes.
you
Yes.
know very like moody dresser you know one day I'll be in full desi kapde with huge jhumkas one day I'll be in you know like some I don't know western clothes a
Yes.
dress or
That's
something one day it'll be something else and I feel like lockdown ke time pe you know it's important to firstly have a routine and that routine must include having a bath and getting ready
yes.
whether that means you wear makeup or you don't wear like I don't wear makeup every
True.
day whether you wear makeup or you don't wear makeup
Yes.
or
Yes.
whatever but having that shower and being like fresh so that your day
Yes.
is not like bus you're just padela you know the whole day
That I
because
know.
it's
I
very
mean,
depressing
of
like
course,
some
I
days you
understand what
need
you're.
like that you need padela days also
Yeah.
but we normally need those days when we worked hard you know
Yes.
when we've worked our
True.
butts off we need those padela days where we just sit all day in our pajamas and watch TV but because this
Yes.
is a lockdown and it's being extended and extended we don't know when it's going to go
Yeah.
on till it's
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
much more important to like wake yourself up and be fresh you know and have
Yes.
those padela days also but I do believe that for your own mental sanity it's important to auntie's online hi auntie love you so sweet I loved your interview with mama with auntie with mama
Okay.
also
Thank you.
my mama and
Thank
your
you.
mama
Thank you.
also.
Okay. Five of your favorite clothes which you've been wearing, which you would like to show us.
5 of my favorite clothes actually
Yes.
I'm wearing 2 of them right now.
Okay.
One is this, which you got made for me.
Oh.
It's a shirt
Oh,
that was
lovely.
made out of yeah. It's a shirt that was made out
Lovely.
of like a poncho or something. You remember?
Oh,
I
yes.
was staying with Chanda when my house was getting painted. I'll just stand up and show you guys a little bit. So this shirt is one of the things that I've been wearing. Like
Wow.
all the shirts that were made, all the shirts that were made at that time. I love shirts. And the other thing that I've been wearing are these, which are like slacks, which Chandni gave me for my birthday last year.
Oh.
Yeah. So I've been wearing those. Apart from that, I've also been wearing something which again Chandni gave me, which is this. I wear it
Comfort
as my
clothes.
mask when I go out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's my homemade mask because you know, in between we couldn't get masks. Abhi now we've managed to get them, but I was wearing
Okay.
this as my mask, and Chandni gave me this.
Fancy.
Yes. So these
Because
are
it has
my
stars.
yeah, I love it. So this is what I've been wearing in the lockdown, basically. And my those all the shirts that were made at this time that were made,
Yes.
and
Yes. Yes.
and
And I think cotton is the best to wear right now when there's
yeah,
so summery and
best. And I've been wearing kurta dresses also, which I
which
love
are lovely
because
again.
which are lovely and they're so cool because it's so
Yes.
hot. Oh my god, dying in this heat.
Yes, that's true. It's really hot.
It's too hot.
Any hacks that you would like to share with everybody? Because you know, since we are living at home, there were so many things which we had to go out and you know, like to salons and even not that. If anything related to clothes that you would like to share with us.
Yeah, of course. Firstly, one of the hacks that firstly I don't like doing istri.
Okay.
मतलब अगर करना है मतलब करना पड़ेगा तो करेंगे but normally like इस time पे तो मतलब it's damn because the problem is I'll tell you if I start doing istri now then I'll have to remove every crease and it's just a big headache. So my mom taught me a very nice hack which I always use when I'm traveling and things. It's basically twisting your clothes like this.
Wow.
Like say it's a shirt or this is a kurta dress, but say it's a shirt or something. And when you open it, it basically gives your, you know, you used to get crinkly fabric
Yes.
before. So it gives your clothes like a crinkled, like a nice crinkled,
Wow.
nice crinkled look, which is
Yes.
which is nice in the lockdown because then your clothes are not crumpled, but they're crinkled.
But that's a great hack because we are already doing so much of work. We can't add up one more thing now.
I swear to God. So even when you're
Yes.
traveling and stuff, like some things,
This
like say
is amazing.
so this mama taught me for traveling.
Wow.
Then another hack is which actually I don't know how I'll show you right now, but it's a upper lip ka threading hack.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Yeah. So the thing is that I know a lot of people don't use bleach on their upper lips, and a lot of people do. Like me personally, I do use bleach sometimes, but I prefer threading.
Yes.
So I don't have any thread here, but anyway, I'll still try and explain it. So if you take some thread and tie it into a circle, I'll have to show it. I want to show it. One sec. I'm going to get some thread. I'm taking you guys out of this room to get some thread. Which I don't know why there's. I wish there was some thread here. But yeah, so
Internet.
This was taught to me by one of my the lady who used to do my waxing in Bangalore. She taught me this hack because I was going to study in California. And वहाँ पे I wasn't sure कि are they going to have like next to my university, is there going to be a place where I can go threading or whatever? I'm not sure.
Yes.
My skin on my face is extra sensitive, so I wasn't sure that those days you didn't even get wax strips and things,
Yeah.
Now you get all that, which is very helpful. But I get a bad allergy on my face when I use wax strips for facial hair.
Okay.
But
yes, it might not suit everyone. Yes.
So for my body, it's fine. I'm using that only and my epilator, which luckily I have because of traveling. But yeah, okay. So I'll show you guys. Okay. So I don't know if you can see this, but okay, this is the thread. Okay. So you take the thread and tie it into a circle like this. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Okay, anyway. So now this is the circle.
Yes, we can see.
Now you twist it a couple of times, like 3, 4, 5. And then you put it like this. And normally I just put my fingers through it again. And I'm going to actually show you right now, since I can see myself. And you thread it like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, with your dominant hand, you put it like this. With your dominant hand, you double twist it like that. And then you just take it and you can't do eyebrows and all. You can only do upper lip and like
I was
any
thinking
other.
about that also.
You can't, it's very difficult. मतलब ऊपर का कर सकते हो, like that.
Yes.
But you can't do it. So yeah, this is a very good hack, which I use. I also bleach, but sometimes I do this also. Like if it becomes too much, that's one hack. And then the other hack that if you're feeling like you want to, spruce up some old clothes or something, I had gone for my partner's first gig with Chandni and her partner, and I got a special t-shirt made. He's a musician, but anyway, I got a special groupie t-shirt made, and I cut the t-shirt. I cut the neck of the t-shirt, if you can see, so that it was like slightly. I don't know.
This is so good, yeah.
So I cut the neck of the t-shirt so that it was like had a collar and a V, like how this shirt has. And then I also cut the bottom of the shirt to make it into like a tied shirt. So if you tie this, it becomes kind of short,
Yes. Wow.
So yeah, that was one of the.
This actually anybody can do. Because like as we have limited clothes right now, I mean we are not really going out shopping and stuff. So I think this is a really good hack. Like if people have their basic t-shirts, they can easily do this at home.
And also you can turn your t-shirts into like ganjis. You can turn your t-shirts into because it's so hot. Like I turned a
Yes.
couple of my old t-shirts at night. I was feeling very hot, and I don't like sleeping with the AC. So as you know,
Yes.
so I cut some of the sleeves off the t-shirts to make
Wow.
ganjis to sleep in. Yeah, because I have a lot
Yes,
of oversized
yes.
t-shirts that I sleep in. That, and then I have one more hack.
Tell me, please
My
tell us.
other hack is, say you're used to, like, you like doing your hair and things like that, or you just want your hair to be, looking nice, which I know you've also
Yes.
used this hack. But right now I'm going to show you the hack. So in the morning when I woke up, I tied my hair into a plait. It's fully from upper till here. And now I'm going to open it and show you guys that the amount of volume and how, it's like how your hair can end up looking when you, like, if you want to just like give your hair some volume and have that, I don't know, nice look at home, if ever, which I know you've also done before, like tying your hair into plaits when you're sleeping, or when you walk, when it's dry after you washed it, just to give it a little, because I have very flat hair, so just to give it that little bit of some movement and some, bounce.
That's actually, it's very easily done, and I think people are going to love this hack and all the hacks that you shared with us. Anything else that you would like to tell everyone?
Anything else that I would like to tell everyone? Yeah, I think, like, in your first video, like you said, like, about one's mental health, and making sure that you use, like, see, I know that at this time there's so many things to think about, and it's so tough for some people, but I do think that one of the things that if you are at home and you can, look good for yourself, then just do it. Because today, you will feel it is depressing, yeah, sitting at home.
Yes,
it is depressing.
of
Like,
course.
even if you're an introvert, even if you like Chandni and I both like sitting at home. We both love being at home. But the thing is, it's a very different thing. Like, being in a lockdown and sitting at home is very, very different. So I do think that you have to make an effort to keep your mental peace. And one of the things that you can do is look your best for yourself.
Yes, that's
it doesn't have to be for someone else.
I understand. Yeah. So anybody has any questions, please ask us right now. Some people are just okay. I think we covered most of the things.
We covered a lot, yes.
Nachiket is saying something.
Where, Nach? Oh yeah, he's saying live. Modi ji is going to be live tonight. How did I meet? Someone is asking how I met Umang and am I living with him? Yes, I am living with him, and we met in school. We met at a Christmas party. Not Christmas, a New Year's party at my house through a common friend.
Cool.
Any style-related questions? Thank you guys.
Thank you everybody.
ये इस question का answer हमारे पास तो नहीं है.
Okay. Somebody is asking, where are you from?
From Bombay and Bangalore. दोनों. मैं वहाँ भी रह चुकी हूँ और मैं यहाँ.
Yes. Thank you for so many nice compliments, guys.
I know. Thank you, guys.
Keep it coming. And please watch all 3 web series of Taraji.
Taraji मतलब मैं, हाँ?
Taraji. Sorry, I'm so used to saying that. I'm
a huge fan of Taraji P. Henson. So Chanda has been calling me Taraji since, I don't know, since how many years?
Okay, guys. Love you both, aunties say.
Love you
too, auntie.
मस्तराम का second season आएगा. हम लोग बताएंगे आपको कि कब आने वाला है.
Taraji, auntie says. Somebody's asking you.
Are you married? Well, we're partners in life, so I don't know if that's considered marriage or not. मेरे हिसाब से तो हाँ. But why are we getting all such movies and series? I don't know what that question is.
Somebody says you're acting.
Thank you so
everyone.
much, guys.
And so I think we should close it now.
Yes.
And please take care of yourself.
Love
Rajay.
you.
Love you too. Thank you for coming and doing this live with me. Take care. Yes, and love you too.
Love
do you. Okay, somebody is just asking you, do you want to act in a Hollywood film?
I would love to. I mean, I am doing a series right now, but
exactly.
I would love to work in a film also.
Yes. Okay, somebody also asked best part in Marudhar Express.
I think Tum Chale Gaye ka shooting. I love shooting that song.
All right, then. Please take care of yourself, everybody.
Everyone, stay safe, stay home.
All right. Bye. Bye, Taraji. Take care of yourself. Love you too. Bye. Bye, everybody. We are ending this.